Hello, my dear students of grade 5 in Fatima Zahra Private School. Our lesson today about much and many are used to express that there is a large quantity of something or a large amount of something. Much is used with uncountable nouns, and many is used with plural countable nouns. Let's look at some examples. Much is used with uncountable nouns. I don't have much time. He doesn't need much money. Doesn't use much electricity. Time, money, and electricity are uncountable nouns, so we use much before them. Many is used with plural countable nouns. There aren't many chairs in the room. I don't have many friends. Do you think many people will go? People, chairs, friends, and people are countable nouns, so we use many before them. You may have noticed that the examples are negative sentences or questions. That is because much and many are mainly used in negative sentences and questions. So, what we use for positive or affirmative sentences? With affirmative sentences, we normally use a lot of instead of much or many. We use a lot of with both uncountable nouns and plural countable nouns, like I need a lot of coffee, or you can say I need lots of coffee. There is no difference in meaning, though in general a lot of is informal and lots of is even more informal. The same is possible with countable nouns. You can say she has a lot of friends or she has lots of friends. The last one is more informal. A couple more examples. There is traffic today. Traffic is uncountable. There are a lot of cars on the street. Cars is a plural countable noun. And with both of those, we can use a lot of. We can say, I need much coffee. This is not correct. But we can't use much when the sentence is affirmative or positive. We say, I need a lot of coffee. All I need lots of coffee. Another example, she has many friends in theory, or possible to use many in positive sentences. So it's not common in spoken English, it's formal in general English. You say she has a lot of friends, or you can also say she has lots of friends. I have a look at the summary chart with uncountable nouns and affirmative sentences. You can say I have a lot of money or I have lots of money. The last one is more informal, but you can't say I have much money. No, that is not correct. Avoid using much in affirmative sentence. In negative sentences, we also use much with uncountable nouns, like I don't have much money, or you can say I don't have a lot of money. The first one with much is more common, and the same happens with questions. We use much with uncountable nouns. Do you have much money? Or do you have a lot of money? Again, is more common and question than of a lot of. Let's look at plural countable nouns with affirmative statements. You can say, I have a lot of friends, or I have lots of friends. They both mean the same thing, though the second one's lots of friends is more informal than the first one. You may hear, I have many friends, though it's not common and is considered formal. We almost always use a lot of or lots of with affirmative statements. In negative sentences, we use many with plural countable nouns like I don't have many friends. You can also say I don't have a lot of friends. The same with questions. Do you have many friends? Which is the same as do you have a lot of friends? As a general rule, we use a lot of with positive statements, much and many with negative statements, and questions. Compare these sentences. I have invited a lot of friends, so I need to buy a lot of food. What would the negative of the sentence be? I haven't invited many friends, so I don't need to buy much food. Can you see the difference between them? Finally, and now let's practice. Do we use much or many in these sentences? Pause this video so you can have time to complete this exercise. When you are ready, click play again to hear the answers or to see it.